Apple recently revealed their new iPhone 15 lineup, which features some significant changes, so let's cover all of them, starting with the 15 and 15 Plus. These two models have the same screen sizes as last year at 6.1 and 6.7 inches, but they're offered in new colors: pink, yellow, green, blue, and black. But these colors aren't just painted on. Apple actually infused the glass with superfine metallic ions with a unique formula for each color, then etched the surface for a matte finish. And its design makes the device more comfortable to hold thanks to the rounded off contoured edges. The notch from last year has been replaced by the dynamic island, and the display can now reach 1000 nits of sustained brightness and 2000 nits for outdoor use, which is twice as bright as iPhone 14. Its camera system has been upgraded with a 48 megapixel lens from the 14 Pro, allowing you to take more detailed photos with 3 times optical zoom rather than 2 times zoom on the previous iPhone 14. While the automatic portraits feature lets you change the focus after a photo's been taken. Also borrowed from last year's 14 Pro is the A16 Bionic chip, which will deliver about 7% faster processing speeds. Speaking of chips, there's also an updated ultra-wideband chip that can connect with other compatible devices 3 times farther, so locating your friends at a festival or concert becomes much easier. And while you're at those noisy events, Apple created a new machine learning model that filters out background noise, so your voice comes through much clearer. The emergency SOS via satellite feature added last year has been expanded to include roadside assistance via satellite, so you can get the help you need for things like a flat tire or dead battery, even when you're off the grid. And one of the most controversial changes is the switch from Lightning to USB-C. So when you get your new iPhone 15, you can't use the charging cable you had been using for years. But the benefit is that this port is also used on the MacBook, iPad, and many other products like the Nintendo Switch and Kindle. So you can now use the same charger to power all these devices. The leather cases Apple's always offered as an accessory will be discontinued in an effort to reduce their carbon footprint. In its place are cases made from a new material called fine woven. It's made from 68% post-consumer recycled content and has what Apple calls a suede-like feel, although reception to the material has been mostly negative since it feels cheaper than leather and appears to be much less durable. Prices for the 15 and 15 Plus start at $799 and $899 for 128GB of storage if you activate them with AT&T, Verizon, or T-Mobile. With any other carrier, their prices increase $30. Next is the 15 Pro and 15 Pro Max, but before we get into that, I'd like to thank our sponsor Pitaka for making this video possible. Pitaka makes premium protective cases for your new iPhone 15 and 15 Pro, like the MagEasy Case 4, which features Pitaka's proprietary MagSafe slimboard technology, making it one of the thinnest cases available today. And it's made out of aramid fiber, a tough material that's 5 times stronger than steel while weighing 5 times less. If you want even more premium materials, Pitaka's MagEasy Case Pro 4 offers the same aramid fiber with solid metal buttons and a soft Napa leather lining, along with comfortable chamfered edges and military-grade shock protection. But Pitaka went beyond the product with Sweetbox, which is packaging made from biodegradable sugarcane residue discarded by sugar factories. So give your new iPhone 15 the premium protection it needs in a thin and light case by checking out the MagEasy Case 4 and MagEasy Case Pro 4 from Pitaka by tapping the link in the description below. Alright, now the iPhone 15 Pro and Pro Max have the same screen sizes as last year, but with a border that's even thinner, allowing for a reduction in overall width and height. They're also available in 4 colors: natural titanium, blue titanium, white titanium, and black titanium. As you may have guessed, they're made from titanium this year instead of stainless steel, resulting in a 15 Pro that's 9% lighter and a 15 Pro Max that's 8% lighter. The titanium's brushed finish also helps hide fingerprints and shifts the device weight distribution from the perimeter to the center, making it feel even lighter than the numbers suggest. The mute switch, which has been on every iPhone in history, has been replaced with a customizable action button, so you can quickly open the camera or turn on the flashlight with just a press. These Pro models have a new A17 Pro chip built on a new 3nm process, delivering 10% faster processing speeds, 20% faster graphics, and gaming features never seen on a phone before, like mesh shading and hardware-accelerated ray tracing. The default camera lens can now be customized to 24, 28, or 35mm, while the telephoto lens on the 15 Pro Max is capable of 5 times optical zoom and 25 times digital zoom for the first time, up from 3 times optical zoom and 15 times digital zoom on the 14 Pro Max. Cinematic mode video can now be captured in 2 times optical zoom, while spatial video, available later this year, will let you capture 3D videos that can be viewed on the upcoming Apple Vision Pro. Wi-Fi 6E is supported on both Pro models, delivering up to 2 times faster wireless speeds while connected to a Wi-Fi 6E enabled router. The USB-C port on these Pro models support USB 3, so you can transfer files 20 times faster than before. The 15 Pro's price starts at $999 with 128GB of storage, which is the same as last year, although the 15 Pro Max no longer offers a 128GB option at $1,100. Instead, Apple is forcing customers to buy the more expensive 256GB option at $1,200. So that's everything new with Apple's iPhone 15 models. Thanks for watching till the end, and I'll see you in the next video.